Do you have difficulty getting in or out of bed because of lower back pain? Today, I want to show you a technique to help you minimize your lower back pain when you get in or out of bed. This is a very useful technique called the log roll that physical therapists teach their patients who just had back surgery. To get into the bed safely, first sit down on your bed. From here, lie down on your side by lowering your head onto the bed and letting your legs swing up onto the bed at the same time. If you leave your feet on the floor while you lower your head onto the bed, it could cause increased lower back pain from this side bending posture. Therefore, it is very important for us to swing your legs up as soon as your head goes down onto the bed. Now you are in the sideline position. We're going to rotate our hips and our shoulders at the same time onto the bed until you're lying face up. If you start rotating your shoulders and the upper body without rotating your hips and lower body at the same time, it could be very painful for your lower back because you are twisting your spine. And it is the same if you rotate your hips and your lower body without rotating your shoulders and upper body. We basically want to avoid any twisting or bending of the lower back. Therefore, please make sure that you are rotating your shoulders and your hips at the same time. To get out of the bed safely, we use the same log roll technique as before, but in reverse. When we're starting from the supine position or lying face up position, if you are already at the edge of your bed, we can start the transfer process to sitting. We'll roll the shoulders and the hips at the same time toward the edge of the bed until you're lying on your side. If your body is not at the edge of the bed, you may have to slowly scoot to the edge of the bed before you start the transferring process. And you can scoot your body by alternating lifting your hips and scooting it laterally, and lifting your head, your upper body, and then scooting it laterally. Once you are at the edge of the bed, then you can start the log roll technique, rotating your shoulders and hips together until you are side-lying facing the edge of the bed. Once you are in the side-lying position, let your legs fall down the edge of the bed, and at the same time, push your upper body up with your arms until you're sitting up. If you do not push your upper body up when your legs are coming down, it might increase your lower back pain. It is also the same if you push your upper body up without letting your legs fall down. Therefore, please make sure that you are pushing your upper body up the same time that you are letting your legs fall down. I hope this technique is helpful for you. If you want to stabilize your lumbar spine for lower back pain, please check out my supine core stabilization video as well as my supine core video. If you want to completely recover from your lower back pain, please visit your local physical therapist or physiotherapist for a personalized rehab program.